To remove the radio from this Subaru Forester, first of all, got to start back here. Take these clips out. So just take the caps off the top of the screws, unscrew those, then take that plastic trim out, the rest of the clips out, and you'll probably want to unplug the switch there as well, just to get that out further. So just unplug that. So that's unclipped, so it just comes out. Now take this one out. That just clips up. It's easy as that. Take that out. Next, take this out. Yours might not come out like this because this looks like it's got a clip that's already been missing. The rest does clip out. Aftermarket radio, so someone's obviously already had this out. Is there any screws? No screws up there. So the rest does just clip out. Use a trim removal tool, just be careful. You don't want to press on the heater controls too hard and break those. Just be very careful when you do it because you don't want to break anything. So, there we go. You can unplug that or just put it to the side, that's no dramas. Unscrew your 4 radio screws, be one here, and then same on the other side. Okay, I've removed all those 4 screws and then that's how it comes out. Unplug the rest of that, you're all done.